You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this shipping company, global shipping company, as well as how to say more brand names that too many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you want to learn more about correct pronunciations. Maersk. Maersk is how it is said, or in American English, Maersk, Maersk, or Maersk. And now, you know, more videos for you here to learn more about brand names that many get wrong, simply mispronounce and butcher, really. If you don't want to be one of those, check out one of those videos. Thanks for your support. Like this video if you enjoy learning, and if you found it useful, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.